Working with a virtual assistant is the quickest and most cost-effective way to get things done in your business, money, and make the ideal work-life balance more achievable. Global Officeworks is confident that your team of virtual assistants strive hard to accomplish your administrative and secretarial duties. But what about tasks such as online marketing, website management, and promotion? Worry not. At Global Officeworks, we have a team of trained professionals who can handle these for you, your problems, and thus make you satisfied with our services. What is digital marketing? Online channels to reach increasingly connected consumers in an engaging and compelling manner. What is a digital marketing specialist? Effectively create meaningful audience interactions that ultimately lead to conversions and profit. They plan and execute marketing campaigns and maintain and supply content for the organization's website. Here is a list of digital marketing executive roles and responsibilities. Develop and manage digital marketing campaigns. Manage an organization's website. Optimize content for the website and social networking channels such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, etc. Blogging and content creation. Track the website traffic flow and provide internal reports regularly. Fix any errors in the online content and arrange webinars and webcasts. Identify new digital marketing trends and ensure that the brand is in front of industry developments. Work on SEO of the website pages. Edit and post content, videos, podcasts, and audio content on online sites. Promote the company's products and services in the digital space. Execute social media efforts to improve KPIs, likes, shares, tweets, etc. Creating and executing SMS and email-based marketing campaigns. Have the luxury of spending time with your family and friends. Work with us and get ready to transform your business by partnering with a brand that maximizes the totality of your business. Choose the right brand. Choose Global Officeworks.